Hey everybody, welcome back to another part of cleaning and organizing the garage. Alright, so let's get back at it. So we were right here. Toothbrush. Oh, I don't want to put that in my mouth. The toothbrush is gone too. Okay. Trash pile. Alright, so got a gasket. Got a gasket. How about that? It's officially licensed by NASCAR. Okay, I wonder what's it to. Well, for the valve covers. Ford Lincoln Mercury. Ford Lincoln Mercury. Okay, alright, yeah. We've got a gasket for a Ford Lincoln Mercury. Maybe that's what that other jack was for. Alright, we're just gonna sit it over here. Alright. Oh, here's another part of the bicycle air pump. It's gone. I wonder where the other part was. I think I had it at one point. I don't know. We'll see. Here's the gas pump. Or gas pump. Here is the bicycle pump. Just set it there. Maybe I can repair it if I can find the other part. We'll see. We will see. Okay. More rags. Socks or gloves? I'm gonna say socks. And we got some rags, microfiber, and a red rag, another red rag, and a pink rag. We'll take our rags, we're gonna put them behind the mirror here. There we are. Ragtastic, I guess. Okay. Oh. Cleaning bag. I think this is a hamper. Or like a clothes basket. Or what? Yeah, it says laundry. It says laundry. So it was. Yeah, it's kinda. Ooh. It's not like me. I don't know. See, sit that next to the home pile. All right. So now we got our little basket here. We got bags. We got thing that goes in like a cigarette lighter. I don't know where that's going, but for now, I'm gonna take this and sit over here. Move this. Ooh, it's a shell. It's a shell. Pretty big shell, whatever it was. Ooh. Stick that in the basket for him. And take the bag, move this basket here, and we got a scraper. I think that's a de-icer scraper, so we're gonna sit it over here, behind the mirror, right there. Okay, all right. So now, got a piece of glass here, and some batteries, and then looks like an aux cable maybe. We'll set that right here. Set the bag, the little fly thing here, socks. Put them in the home pile next to the cups. Okay. Piece of glass. Set this up here by the paint and the gasket. Kind of sitting there, but that's what we got for now. I am one-handed, so doing the best. Okay, we got a box here. I think this is more office stuff. Yeah, looks like it. So, more space. Oh, I have a whole nother shelf, but will it fit? Will it fit in the shelf? Let's see. Got the box. Let's try and fit. Oh, it's not good. So we'll set it on the floor for now. Okay. Continue walking back. Got more bags. That right there. And, oh, there's the other part. Bike's up. Wait. Step on the lawnmower. Okay. So here is part where that connector goes to. Oh, it's missing the bulb, but I believe it's like a light, a big old light. Okay. Let's set the cord over there. Here we have a little bowl, I guess, of nails and screws and numbers and got a lot going there. All right. Let's see. Found another scraper. So this one I think is a different type of scraper because that's a metallic edge. The other ones I had were plastic. Oh man. Okay. All right. I guess we'll sit this with the other scrapers. Right on top of the rags there for now. Probably gonna get those rags later and wash them and bring them back out here. And maybe have like a box or something specifically for rags. Move the bikes out the way. Slip on the lawnmower because it's right here. Another box. Another box. Oh, the ring almost came off. Oh, we got a lot going on in there. It's like a piece of plastic or something, and a rug. Set this on the ground here. There it is. It's on the ground. All right, and got another box. Premium bananas. Ooh. There were premium bananas in there, right? Trash box. So now I guess I can consolidate the trash. Oh, and here we go. It's part of my car's intake unit for the little 3.6s. Push that over there. And then now, here's the question. Push the bike so again, step on the lawnmower. Well, here's another part to that little jig. Set that over here. Here's a box. Oh, some more of this felt stuff. And then some rags. It's like an air pump. It's like a air mattress. Here we go. In here. Okay. So here is the main unit for the intake. So you got the oh that hurt. The main intake for the bottom unit. Okay, there is the filter there. Oh, okay, and then I can see kind of the shape it had. How it had kind of the shape there. Here we go. That over there. Ooh, foot. Ow. Ooh, I don't know what I did there. Gotta be careful. Gotta be careful. Over here again. It's like a cup. On top of the lawnmower. So over here. Over there. Here we are. The shelves. Let's not fall, shelves. Let's not fall. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, shelves. Got a chair. Got a number. Numbers everywhere. Come back up in here. Put them in there. Put that in there. Another target. Yeah, I used to just kind of throw everything in the garage. Just throw it in there, chuck it and junk it. Oof. Never look back. It's not good. Not a good habit. You gotta stay organized. Here we are. Chair. All right. Let's set the chair down. And now we have virtually a clear table. Some fresh towelettes. We have first they actually hard now. Stick it in here. Now I'm gonna take these. See some nails over here. Push that over. Guess I pushed some more nails off the table. Sorry. Push that box over there. This little green canister. I guess it was cookies or something. Take this, put it in the general home pile. Okay, so the table is virtually cleaned off. A lot of junk. Our bags and pieces here. Take these bags and sit it right there. Got some screws. Set them in there. Like this. Yeah. Whew. Okay, so we got the table clear. And now let's go underneath. Oh, all these boxes. Oh, what's that? Oh, another welding project. This, I want to say, is stick. That could also be stick welding. Set this over here. Our other ones. Set things over here. See if we can pull this box down. One-handed power. Ooh, just kidding. Oh, now we're stuck on the bikes. Okay. Yeah, knock everything over. Knock everything over. It's okay. So now we have a box here. What kind of covering? Not sure. This is why you gotta be organized. I think this is where my intake came in, so there's that box. Got a Swiffering it up. Pieces and some more of this felt sheeting. Got a rag. Rag and felt sheeting, and then here's some instructions to that jig. Should not throw those away. Not those. The assembly of it, so keep that for later. Put that over there. Okay, let's look under. Wow. Stuff you remember after you start trying to clean up. Here's the Kxng filter kit. We'll take the box and put it over here. And set it in there. This. I think you're hanging that on the wall for like a hanger or something. Alright. Weed whacker. I didn't even realize I have this. Gotta clean up. Clean up and keep everything organized. Because this is ridiculous. So, go. Oh wow. Some shoes. The stuff you find when you clean up. Oh man. Got some boxes here. Boxes everywhere. that's a drying mat for dishes. The stuff you find in your garage gotta be cleaning up. Oh, and I just realized all of that trash. It's alright, we can do this. Okay. Take the mat here and just place it over there amongst more stuff. Find a lot of these felt towels everywhere. A lot of these felt towels. In this box here, some rags and the air pump, wall brackets, pipe brackets. I'll take these and just gonna put them in here. I'll take this and sit it there. I'm gonna sit it next to the TV cart. Oh yeah, sitting it next to the TV cart. Coolers. Another laundry bag, which once again that other one wasn't doing too well. Oh, neither is this one. That's alright though. We got some numbers and things. Okay. Yeah. Numbers and tape. I really hope these camera angles are getting better. I'm gonna need to figure out something here. Oh, tape fell. That's alright. And for now, since we have a little bit more to go, I'm almost out of battery. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.